Question asking that consider the following statement regarding the conservation status and the threat to the Great Indian Watchtone. Question is related to the Great Indian Watchtone, asking that consider the following statement regarding the conservation status and threat to the Great Indian Watchtone. And first statement telling that Great Indian Watchtone is listed under the appendix second of the site. This statement is incorrect. Why? The Great Indian Watchtone is listed under the appendix 1 of the sites. Here given that the Great Indian Watchtone is listed under the appendix 1 of the sites which provide the highest level of protection for endangered species in international trade. So first statement is incorrect. First statement is incorrect. Now we move to see the and check the second statement. Second statement is read like this: the primary threat to its survival include habitat destruction, power line collision, human interference. So second statement is correct because primary threat to its survival include habitat destruction, power line collision, and human interference. Here given that the major threat to the Great Indian Watchtone include habitat destruction, collision with the power lines, and human interference, all of which have drastically reduced its population. So second statement is very correct, and first statement is incorrect. And now we will going to see the now we see in the we going to see the check the third statement is it is correct or incorrect. Let's first read telling that third statement, third option telling that it is included under the schedule second of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 in India. This statement is also incorrect. Why? Because it is included under the schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 in India. So the third statement is incorrect. First is also incorrect. Here third statement has given that the species is protected means Indian Watchtone, Great Indian Watchtone is a species is protected under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which ensure maximum protection under the law. So first and third is incorrect, and the second is correct statement. So he asking that how many of the above statement are correct. So only one is the become the correct answer. Now we move to the and see the second question. Next question is here read like this: consider the following statement about the stratospheric aerosol injection and cirrus cloud thinning. The here is the telling that both means a stratospheric aerosol injection and cirrus cloud thinning target short wave solar radiation to mitigate global warming. And this statement is incorrect. Why incorrect? Because here given that while stratospheric aerosol injection targets short wave solar radiation, while the cirrus cloud thinning focus on long wave radiation emitted by the cirrus clouds. And here telling that both means stratospheric aerosol injection and cirrus cloud thinning target short wave both not the target the short wave, one target the short wave and another target the long wave radiation. So SAI target the short wave and CCT target the long wave radiation. So this statement second become incorrect. Now we move we move to see the second statement and check the second statement it is correct or incorrect. Second statement read like the SAI means a stratospheric aerosol injection involve dispersing reflective aerosol in the stratosphere. In the stratosphere. While CCT focus on reducing the amount of amount of amount of long wave radiation emitted by the cirrus clouds. This statement is also incorrect. Why this statement is incorrect? Because here given that is a stratospheric erosion injection target the stratosphere target the stratosphere, not the troposphere. Not the troposphere. I have given the troposphere. So this statement correct. And CCT reduce the greenhouse effect by affecting the long wave radiation, not the short wave radiation. Telling that long wave radiation, not the short wave radiation, not the short wave solar radiation. Reduce the greenhouse reduce the greenhouse reduce the greenhouse greenhouse effect by affecting the long wave radiation, affecting the long wave radiation emitted by the 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 cirrus cloud. So this second statement is incorrect. Now we move to the check the third statement. Here telling that both technique aim to increase the earth albedo to reduce the amount of heat and absorbed by the surface. Yes, this is very correct. Both stratospheric aerosol injection, sorry, cirrus cloud thinning are aimed at increasing the Earth's albedo, means ACI focus on reflecting shortwave solar radiation by injecting the reflective aerosol like the sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. CCT, on the other hand, aim to reduce cirrus cloud thickness and cover to allow more long-wave radiation to escape into the space, thus reducing the greenhouse effect. So both statement, third statement is correct, and first and second is incorrect, and third is correct. So only one. He asking that how many statements are incorrect. So two are incorrect. So B is the correct answer. So I would like to stop here and see you next new video in new energy and new future.